In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise your hand on Zoom. This is an invaluable tool for effectively participating in Zoom meetings, whether you're in a virtual classroom, attending a professional meeting, or simply catching up with friends. This feature can help you get noticed without having to interrupt the ongoing conversation. Mastering the art of raising your hand on Zoom is quite straightforward, and I will guide you through this process step by step. First things first, you need to log into your Zoom account. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Zoom app to have access to all the latest features and fixes. Once you're logged in, your next step is to join an ongoing Zoom meeting or start one yourself. Now, I understand that if you're new to Zoom, this part can be a bit daunting, but remember, it's just a matter of clicking the right link or entering the correct meeting ID and password. Once you're comfortably inside the meeting, take a good look at the bottom of your Zoom meeting window. You'll notice a variety of icons and options here, one of which is labeled Reactions. This is your gateway to a host of interactive features, including the trusty raise hand option. Clicking on Reactions will bring up a small menu with several options. Now, from this menu, you simply need to click on the raise hand option. So you might be wondering, what happens when you click this? Well, an icon of a hand will cleverly appear next to your name on the participants list. This subtle cue is visible to the host and panelists, letting them know you're waiting to speak or have a question. It's a classic and courteous virtual way to indicate you'd like to contribute to the discussion without cutting anyone off mid-sentence. Once you're done and have spoken your mind or asked your question, it's only polite to lower your virtual hand. To do this, revisit the Reactions menu and select the lower hand option, closing the loop on your input in the meeting smoothly. Now, here's a little pro tip for those who love keyboard shortcuts and who doesn't love a good shortcut. If you're using a Windows computer, you can quickly raise or lower your hand using the Alt+Y keyboard command. This toggle is perfect for those moments when you need to act quickly and discreetly. And that's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to utilize the raise hand feature on Zoom. This simple tool enhances group communication and ensures everyone can be heard without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and share it with anyone you think might benefit. Thank you for watching, and happy Zooming.